Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cass. So, the final part of the Korean booster box is upon us. Alright, handy dandy scissors. Oh no, did I cut the... No, I didn't. I always feel like I'm cutting the cards for some reason. Alright. Yay! We got a Pikachu, Jigglypuff, Growlithe, Amoonguss, and an Arcanine Hollow. So, already this is looking up. But then Karma will say, haha, I got you. Okay, I need to seriously move all these pack arts. To the floor you go. You've been banished. Oh no, death is better than banishment. Yeah, sorry. Right. Poniard. Witwick. Vanillish. Heavy Ball. And a Hippowdon. Right. So we have an Elgyem, Tranquil, an adorable Pansage, a Lapras, and a Simisage. Right, so what I'm doing is I have this little collection tray of all the bottoms of the packs. That's what I'm doing if you didn't know. We have a Sneasel, Vanillite, Pansage, a Silent, and another Darmaxitin! Yeah! Sweet Blastoise all the way. Yeah. Alright, pack didn't want to cut, so... Alright, we have a Lampent, a Cubchoo, whoopsies, Deerwing, sorry about that, Sawsbuck, and a Zapdos Hollow. So we are striking it now, finally. These were all the hollows were in the back. Of course, when I start doubting the box. Alright, we've got a Foongus, Wigglytuff, Darumaka, Double Colorless Energy, and a Behem. Alright, Vanillite, Pidove, Sneasel, Weavile, and a Cryogonal. Alright, Jigglypuff, Growlithe, Hippopotas, Amoonguss, and a Pokemon Center. Alright, we have a Tranquil, Pansage, Pikachu, Beartick, and Heavy Ball. Alright, the last pack. Living on a prayer here. Alright. Riolu, Kirlia, Bronzor, Raichu, and a Curemix. Yes. This is the one card that I wanted out of this set. Hey, old Blizzard. But what I really wanted to show you guys was a full art of the set, which I do not have, but it isn't textured like you can see the little ridges in there winding up. Those are textured. It's a little bit thicker, I think, than a normal card, which the other full arts are just like this, except, well, full art. And they have the same back, so it's good. Oh, did I? No, I've already damaged it. Oh well. Alright, leave a like, subscribe. Oh, no, wait, I'm supposed to do a recap. Whoopsies. Alright, so in this part, I pulled Cure Me X, Zapdos Hollow, Arcanine, and an Arcanine Hollow. In the second part, I pulled a Chandelure Hollow and a Gardevoir Hollow. In the first part, I pulled a Lucario Hollow and a Regigigas EX. So overall, pretty good pulls. So not bad. And thank you. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see ya. Good boy, Zekrom. And we fired Kieran for not giving me good pulls. So.